Fearless Leader here. I, as promised, am going to solve problem 12 from the homework from Module 1. This one seemed to give the overall group the most difficulty, and it doesn't surprise me because I tried to do this problem several times before I figured out how to do it correctly, so you are in good company if you didn't know how to do this problem. So we know, good problem solvers read the problem many times, so let's start. I am the president of the student government? Yes! You wish to conduct a survey to determine the student body's opinion regarding student services. The administration provides you with a list of names and phone numbers of the 543 registered students. Discuss a procedure you could follow to obtain a simple random sample of 5 students, then obtain the sample. Okay, so which of the following procedures could you follow to obtain a simple random sample? Select all that apply. So my first mistake was not reading select all that apply. I did this and then only chose the first thing that I came across that made sense. So go ahead and pause the video and do that. Okay, so listing the names in alphabetical order does not, and then taking the first 5 names does not assure that everyone has an equally likely chance of being selected. So we don't want that. Ask students to come to a meeting and pick 5 from those. No, not all the students are equally likely to attend the meeting. List each name on a separate piece of paper, place them all in a hat and pick 5. Equally likely, that totally works. Number the names from 1 to 543. Notice from 1 to 543. Use a random number table to produce these. That absolutely will work. So we have discussed a procedure. Obtain this sample using the portion of the random number table provided. Here's the portion of the random number table. So also another mistake I made was I didn't obtain the sample using the portion of the random number table provided in the problem statement. Start with the first column of the first row. So we're going to get all 5 of these random numbers. So we're going to click on this. And so we're going to start with the first column. And I need numbers between 1 and 543. So the only 3-digit number I can get from this entry is 980, and that's not the correct range. Now I go, and I'm not going to go 751, I'm going to go to the next row, and I'm going to look at 188. So I know that is between 1 and 543. Now I jump down to the next row, 991, that won't work. 819, that won't work. 270, that will work. 270. 418, that will work. 176, that will work. 064, don't write 064, just write 64. That was the mistake I made, and I needed 5 different 3-digit numbers, yes. So there it is. That's how you use a random number table to generate, to assign a group of 5 individuals randomly. So I hope that this was helpful. Please go back and review that problem if you got it wrong. Use the similar question button, or if you got it right but you're not really sure about the process, go use similar question anyways. You can use similar question whether you got the question right, wrong, or otherwise. So again, thank you for watching. I hope this was helpful.